am Landry. I live in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I work on Joomla. If you've seen Pulp Fiction, the wolf, that's me. I fix problems. I've basically held almost every role there is in the project, from member of the quality and testing team, to member of the development team, core developer, project manager, communications team lead, any number of roles. And the only role that I haven't actually done is OSM board member, and that's just because I refuse to put myself through that drama. Currently, I'm a development coordinator, production leadership team member, and I'm generally speaking focused on strategic direction and the framework and the whole platform moving forward. Planning. The most exciting thing for me with Joomla is the application platform itself. Partly because it's the least tapped potential that we have as a software project, and partly because it's just what excites me. I like building innovative things. I like building new things that other people aren't doing, or at least getting into spaces that people aren't in. One of the first things that I did after the release of 1.5 was help build JExtended Finder, which is one of my favorite extensions. And what I saw was there were no search engines. Like, there was nobody that was doing search reasonable. Not like poorly, but like not even reasonable. Because obviously we know the Joomla search is you get 50 results, and it's just like the first 50 things that you find on any given search, right? And I wanted to build something that was indexed, that you could get like relevant information back, something that you could do categorization and like faceted searches, and filter and sort over any number of options. I've since left JExtended, but Finder is an awesome example of innovation, and that's the sort of stuff that I'm interested in. I'm working on solar stuff now, and wherever is interesting. I like building tools, and I like building things that connect larger pieces. Better for whom? As far as the developers are concerned that are out there, I think we need a lot of dev tools. We need scaffolding tools. We need deployment tools. We need solid testing tools. We need a lot of stuff that you find in a lot of application environments, right? Like a lot of SDKs. Like, we need a Joomla SDK for people to build like serious applications on the platform, and actually leverage a lot of the power that's in there. And that's a step. We also need to build stuff as far as say server infrastructure stuff, right? Like, we need to be thinking about the Joomla platform more than just the box products of the CMS as it is, and that's really like where my mind is with respect to the future. I love Joomla events. My favorite. I've been to events on 3 or 4 different continents now over the last 5 years, and every one of them I've loved. You meet people that are doing the most incredible things with Joomla. Even if it's only a brochure website that helps their company make money, and it's astonishing to hear the stories from all the people that are out there and see how people are using it in so many different ways to feed their family, or do something cool, or yell at the government, or any number of options. Like that's my favorite thing about the community. Like, actually seeing these people and talking about them. Well, a lot of it's in flux, and a lot of it has yet to be agreed upon. But my specific plans are, I'm planning to create an upstream project from the CMS, the Joomla platform, and it's essentially going to be the framework, and we'll expand it to have a bunch of these tools that are missing and stuff like that. And I'd like to get it as a platform, similar to like Rails or a lot of the other platforms that are out there, into Linux distributions. I've already talked to some people at Red Hat and Canonical and FreeBSD and a couple of others. And the idea is to get it out there as a platform that people can build legitimate web applications on that aren't necessarily just the CMS. And the idea there is the more we get people who are looking to do those sort of innovative things, like at a low level, the better developers we're going to have developing on the code base and on the platform. And the easier it's going to be to get into universities and have university students working on the Joomla platform for writing school projects or doing independent study classes and things like that. And the more of that we get, the better we all are as a development community. So to me, I want to separate the framework project from the CMS project so that we can expand it. We need a lot more breadth in the codes than the code that's there and the libraries that are available. And it also gives a lot more freedom to developers to say, look, I've got these payment gateway libraries, or I've got this really cool library that does X that your CMS has no use for as a CMS. But like, it's really good code, it's written to the Joomla platform, and people might be able to use it in some way, shape, or form. And I want to build the platform to be more inclusive of those sorts of things so that any developer can leverage that sort of thing. I see an incredibly bright future, and I see a lot of really good energy. And I know, this project has had more trying times than I can imagine. But at the end of the day, there's a hell of a lot more good than bad, and a lot of really good focused energy on really good ideas. And the better we can all talk together civilly and constructively, the better we're going to make this whole thing. And I'm just totally looking forward to the next years of making this thing rock.